friends, welcome back to my place. Today we are doing the Jewlzmanichallenge challenge and I'm really excited about this one. I super loved the inspo pick and sorry, I'm just wrestling with my papers. So I was super excited for Jules' inspiration picture for this month. And the colors are beautiful in it. It just reminds me like end of summer tropical vibes. So what I'm using today is for liquids, I switched it up on you guys. I'm using my double dip base and activator, but I am still using my triple D gel base, which I don't usually use just the regular anymore. I usually just use the delicate, but I am going to use gel base and the delicate gel 2-in-1 base and top gel. So what I did is I am starting out with my pointer finger. I'm using Revel's Veronica. It's just a pure white. And I'm going to do 2 dips of that one. And then I'm going to put a Waterslide decal over that. And then you're going to see me kind of dip through. I'm starting with my lightest colors. So 2 dips on each finger, and I did speed through my second dips like I have been, but first dip Veronica on my pointer, and then my middle finger and my ring finger are going to be Pocket Full of Sunshine from Panda dips, and this is a UV changer and it is so pretty. This might be like one of my most favorite pinks that I have, and I have quite a few pinks now. And then on my thumb, I'm going to use another Panda Dips, and it's Tea Time. And then I'm going to use on my pinky, Smolder from Triple D. And then I'm going to top a couple of my nails in some glow-in-the-dark glitter. And that one is As If from Double Dip. So I'm excited to let you guys watch. I'm excited for another video. I was hoping to have this up before the end of August, but life got a little crazy with getting ready for back to school and camping and just end of school or just end of summer activities. So here's my first dip on those 3 nails. And then I am going to do my second dip super sped up. I'll let you watch through that. And then I'm going to do my other 2 colors. And I'm just going to kind of let you watch for a little bit. And then I am speeding, like I said, I am speeding through my second dips. And then I am going to actually speed through my dip and clear there. You just saw me pull a little hair out of the dip. But I'm going to speed through a lot of this video, or what seems like a lot. But I don't want you guys to get bored. I really want you to keep coming back. So just watch, and I will be back shortly with some more thoughts for you. Okay, so you're gonna see me now. I'm gonna go in, you just saw me activate all those nails, and I wanted to activate that because I'm pulling out my glass file, and I really like this for going around my cuticle lines. It's so good. I feel like it gives me just that right shape coming up into an apex, kind of. It just makes it so much easier, and I don't reach for this as often as I should. It's not what I pull out when I get all my stuff ready to do a mani, but I need to. I need to have this in my regular routine because every time I do end up using it, I love it, and I should probably have more than one because I'm sure I'm going to break or lose this at some point, but I really love it. And I want to try some of the other glass files too. I've seen some that are like rounded and curved, and they look like they're really amazing for getting into that cuticle line too. But I just really like it, and it's not rough. It doesn't rip up my cuticles if I hit my skin. So I just really like it. So I did activate everything so that I could do this. And then once I've done that, I am actually going to break out a bowl of water, and I'm going to do Waterslide decals for the first time. And I tried one, and it did not work. And then I realized that I forgot to put down a sticky layer. So then I had to get out my base, my gel base, and use that. And then I used my stamping tool. And you're going to see me kind of out of frame for a little bit of the rest of the video. And that's just because Waterslide decals, this is the first time I'm doing it. I figured go big or go home, right? I'm going to do it on a video. So I'm going to get my bowl of water, which thankfully my husband was nice enough to get for me. And I'm going to pop my Waterslide in there, and I'm going to put a layer of base gel on, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And you can see one tab in there. I deleted that part of the video where I messed up on the first one. So here's my first layer of base gel going on, and then I'll cure that 30 seconds, and then I'm going to take my Waterslide or the decal out of the water after it's set for a couple minutes, and I'm going to just slide them, the top off the backing. I'm going to slide them apart, and then I'm actually putting it onto my stamping tool, or my stamping, what do you call it? The little, mine's not round, it's like a little rectangle jelly stamper. And then I'm going to use that to push the decal onto my nail evenly without having to touch it and touch sticky base and mess around with it. So I'm going to do that. And this one is the pink and blue is going on my pointer finger on top of the white. And then I am going to do another decal on my ring finger, or not my ring finger. So I'm going to let you guys watch some more with some more music, and we'll be back in a little bit for final thoughts. Unless I think of something else, I'll jump back in, but here we go. Just kidding, I'm back. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my orange wood stick, and I have a little bit of acetone just on the tip of it, and I'm just using that to push around the edge of that Waterslide decal to kind of cut it off. And this was a little tricky for me, and if you have any tips on using these Waterslide decals, I'll take them, because I am new and not very good at them. So this one was a little frustrating. It was a little bit bigger than my nail, but the first one I used was a little bit smaller, and I could see a lot of the white shining through, and I didn't like that. So here I pulled it a little bit, and then it would shift, and then I'd try and cut it a little bit, and then I'd have to dip into acetone again. So a little bit of a learning curve for me, but that's okay. It's what we're here for, right? That's why we have all these amazing, wonderful people women and people on YouTube that are making these nail videos for us. So I actually had to go and watch one of Kate's videos from Kate's Nail Corner, because I'm like, why isn't this working? So I went and watched that and figured out what I was doing wrong, that's when I realized that I needed to have the gel base under it for a sticky layer. So I'm finally going to get it all off, and then I'm going to pop the next one in, and that's just a little black leaf pattern. I thought that would really pop nice on that bright pink, and it just worked with the challenge photo. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to slide them apart. I'm going to put it on my jelly stamper. I'm going to stamp it on, and then I'm going to do my capping, or my glitter nails that I'm going to do. So I'm doing my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb in the glitter. And then I'm going to clear cap everything and file and buff, and then gel top coat, and I am speeding through all of it. I really got this video condensed down, so you'll have to let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this style of video better? Do you like sped up? Do you like more talking, less talking, longer video? And again, I'm so sorry I'm out of frame, but I'm really working on that. So here we go. This is just going to be my dips into my the as if glitter, and then I'm using the Triple D 2-in-1 delicate gel top coat for all of my topping. And yeah, I'm really excited about this mani. I kept it on actually for quite a while. Normally I pop them off after like 2 days. You would think that I would have more videos done, but you know, I'm still editing is a learning curve for me, so I'm still working on it. It takes me a while to edit these videos, but yeah, go ahead and watch a little bit more. Here I'm dusting off, and then I'll be back. All right, now friends, my last little pop back in here. So I am all finished up. I'm using my Cuticle Cuticle oil again by Candi Skincare. I love this scent. This is the Tropi-waii. This is the one I reach for the most. And I think I prefer the dropper bottles to the brush bottles. If you have them, let me know what ones you guys like better and what your favorite scent is, because I want to try it. So I hope you all had a really wonderful summer, and I hope you're looking forward to fall as much as I am. I'm looking forward to getting more manis out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I can't wait. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.